is up, my good kind people? Styles here, back at you with another video. Today for you guys, sublimation on copy paper. Now, I myself, like you guys, have my paper that I'm partial to, but with 101 companies, does it really matter? We're gonna find out today. 400 degrees, 60 seconds. Copy paper. Who knew? Well, if you watch my videos, you would know. And like a wise man once said, knowing is half the battle. Yo, Joe. Okay, so our press is at 400 degrees, and we'll be pressing on these basketball shorts that I picked up like maybe 3 years ago from Old Navy. They just so happen to be 100% polyester, so this is what we're working with. As always, you're gonna need your butcher paper, lint brush, and normally you would need heat tape, but today we're not gonna bother with any of that. You also might want to use a Teflon pillow if you're dealing with seams like I'm dealing with today, but again, we're not doing all of that. Once again, we do this to prevent the bleed through. Slide out drawer action, aka the knuckle savior. And how many of you guys out there are still not having a slide out drawer in your life? Leave that in the comments below. Alright. And we're not doing anything fancy by the way of measurement. We're just kind of it's whatever. We're living on the wild side. Not to mention, these probably will never see the light of day. But these will be my all-day, everyday house shorts. And we decided to go with 50 seconds opposed to the 60 seconds because I'm quite sure the paper's going to get a little bit cinched. I mean, because the last time I used copy paper, I was using it on ceramic mugs and that did low-key burn. So we'll see. 20 seconds. So how's it going for you guys out there? That's what's up. Myself, as per usual, you know, awesome as ever. I appreciate you guys for asking. And as always, what we're looking for is the ink. It's not bad. I think that I could have gone the full 60 and I would have been good. I also went down in the quality setting when I printed. Instead of going the premium presentation matte that I usually do, I elected to go with just a bright white. all in all, that is definitely an option if you're in a pinch or you just don't feel the need to spend, I don't know what, like 20-30 bucks that it costs to buy these papers that are out there. You can use regular copy paper. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna continue to use the paper that I use, but I just want to let you guys out there know that this is an option for you guys. Once again, we are not using any heat tape. This one may be a little crooked. But the overall product, the finished product rather, is not really that important to me. What I wanted to get across is that you could get this done with just using regular copy paper. And again, these shorts are 4 years old, so I just kind of found them as I was going through my things, and I figured this would be a good time to ruin some stuff. Yep, you will never know unless you try. This is definitely crooked, but that is also whatever. And I know what you're probably thinking. I could have fast forwarded this, and you know what? You're probably right. But due to YouTube and the algorithm, this dictates that I do this. Insert LOL. And we're not even going to cut the quiet part out either. I just felt the need to be a little trolly. We will turn off our press. Once again, my kind people, this has been Styles. You guys be kind, and I'll catch you on the next one.